In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can use AI to basically do exactly what I just did. And by the end of this video, you should know exactly what to do to make videos like that. Because I believe that the next 6 to 12 months, there's going to be a window of opportunity where people can make a lot of money doing what I just showed you. So let's get into it, people. All right, people, this is going to be interesting because I'm going to basically make the intro together. So what you just watched, that's what we're going to make in this video. I'm going to go through everything A to Z, how I done it. So with that being said, I'm going to show you a couple videos so you get an idea about the type of videos you can make besides just what you've seen at the beginning. So this right here is AI slop. Okay, bam. Oh, look at me. This is clearly AI. This, however, is the complete opposite. This is not AI slop. The naked eye cannot tell that this is AI. And if you're telling yourself, no, I can tell that that's AI, you can't. Right here, I can take any product and sell anything. Let me find something. Right here. This is Bro Men's Wash. I don't know what it is, what it does, but I can match the description of somebody that would sell something like this. So this should show you what this tool is capable of, what I'm about to show you. You know, you probably are already thinking of a million different use cases that you could do AI videos for whatever you do online. So the tool stack, what we will be using is going to consist of CapCut, ChatGPT, which is going to be like whatever AI image generator you want to do, Higgs AI. I'm going to have all these linked in the description as well. So for instance, CapCut, you can get a 7-day free trial. ChatGPT, there's no like plan or anything that you can get a few days free, but you can still create images on the free plan. Now you're only going to be able to create literally like 2 images. If you're trying to save on money, then you can do the free plan. And then lastly, this one's optional. It's going to be the AI prompter. I'm going to use that throughout this video so you have an idea about what that looks like. That'll also be linked in the description. So the first step, the workflow looks like this. So you're going to record your reference video. I'll pull up the video that I recorded at the beginning. So after that is recorded, what I typically do is I get local send. That way I can send the video from my phone to my computer without losing any quality. Because if you try to do it through like, let's say Discord or something, you're gonna lose a ton of quality, and you want the video to be real and seem legit. And you're gonna prioritize realism if you're anything like me. So once that is on your computer, the next step will be putting this into CapCut. You take the video, go through whatever portion you're gonna be using AI for. That's the part that you'll save, export it, and you're going to be giving that to the AI tool. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and screenshot a little segment to move on to the next step. So after we've recorded the motion, which you've seen, we went ahead and put it in CapCut. Now we're going to create the character. Now, I have no idea what character I used at the beginning of this video. You're going to watch me kind of figure out who I'm going to use in real time or what I'm going to do. We're going to create the character, build the prompt, and then we generate and then edit. When we're creating the character, I'm going to take the screenshot that you just see me take from CapCut from my reference video. I'm going to insert it into ChatGPT or whatever AI you use for images. And we want it to generate a clean shot that will show the reference character in the exact same frame and section that we are screenshotting. So if I'm doing a video like this where I'm talking to you face on, I'm not going to give a reference image of somebody like this, turned away or turned to the side. You can give more than one reference image, but you want it to try to be as real and as legit as your video. So when building the character, this is what I do with the prompt tool. Okay, now that we're at the prompt tool, I'm not gonna show you all the extra stuff. Like there's a whole video going over more like detail that I'm gonna show you in this video, but we've already recorded our reference. Now it's time to choose the character we wanna create. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. First option, you can use an image of somebody that already exists and then use AI to kind of change it a little bit with this prompt builder. The other option is creating an entirely new AI person with this prompt builder. This is examples of like good versus bad character references. So these are obviously good. And then the bad character examples would consist of, you know, something like this. So her head is not proportionate with her body. This guy has a million different details. Same thing for this I don't know, girl. She has like so much jewelry, so many layers that AI has to basically work harder to make a realistic video. So for the character, I think I want to do somebody probably in his late 30s, male. We want him to be let's say a fitness coach. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. So if I was to do that and type that prompt in, then it would give me an image generation, or it would give me a prompt to go create an image with. I think we're gonna do Alex Hormozi. I freaking love Alex Hormozi. Anybody that is into business and stuff, you probably love you some Alex Hormozi. So that's what we're gonna do. Here's how I would do that. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm going to do an Alex Hormozi video. And what you would do for that is you would come down to the advanced options, matching an existing person. So man in the black, and then Alex Hormozi, man with the beard and hat. And obviously it's a him. Then you would create the avatar that way after you find a picture that you're going to use of someone like Alex Hormozi. And we're still going to give it to AI. So this was the image that AI was able to freaking cook up. Looks really good. That literally, I'm looking at Alex Hormozi. Next, we're going to take it over to the AI to start building out the video. All right, let's go to Higgsfield. We're going to come over to video. It's important to note there's two things that are like, if you want realism, you got to do these two things. You got to have the right image to give AI for reference. And number two, you have to prompt the video correctly. So if you can prompt the video correctly and you can have the right image and the image looks real, that is going to give you the best possible outcome for your videos. That is why using something like the prompt tool, because you're going to save a lot for the credits, because this software that I'm showing you probably costs, I guess the cheapest you can get this for would be somewhere in the ballpark of $50, maybe $40 for some of the plans. But if you're going to invest in this and test it out and have fun with it, I would go ahead and do the $100 version, I think. If you're spending all that money, save on your credits. So there's the three options. We can do CDance 2.5, CDance 2.5 edit, or motion control. Motion control is a lot cheaper. As you see, literally only like 10 credits to do this, but motion control, as far as realism, it's like a step or two down from what I'm about to show you. So we put in the Alex Hormozi image. So we put in the Alex Hormozi AI image, and then we throw in our video. Wait for that to pass the copyright check, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up the prompt that we're gonna give it. So what I'm gonna show you is how you can use the prompt tool for the video prompt. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the prompt itself because that is one of the main features of the prompt builder. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna click replace person with image one, strict one-to-one, and we'll do that. And then any extra details you wanna give it, you can type that in and then it will add to the prompt. Now I've literally spent probably close to $300 on credits testing out the best prompts, and that is how we were able to put this prompt builder together. I did the same thing with VO3 when that came out. So this thing works. So we copy this, but it's still checking for eligibility. And something else you can do that I just seen, you can take TikTok videos and stuff. Well, something else you can do is you can take other videos, whether it be from YouTube, TikTok, if you want to replicate different motions or have 5 or 6 different videos that AI can reference, whether it's dancing or some type of movement, you can give it a bunch of references from videos like that. Now that we have that, we generate. I gotta prove that I'm not an AI. That should right there verify that I'm a real person to everybody watching. There we go. Now we are able to generate. So with that being said, what you watched in the intro of this video is whatever this video comes out to. So there's a few steps you got to follow after this is created. So TikTok doesn't basically say or label the video, this is AI generated content. So that is also on the prompt builder. Every link, everything I use is going to be in the description of this video. Click on it, go through. You can save some money with free trials. You can save some money with the AI link that I got down there. A lot of different stuff. Check it out. If you have any questions, make sure you're commenting, like the video if this helped you out. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.